and I looked in his videos, his job, what he does, and I found it excellent. Don't go to Photomotive. Come to Crank It.
How you came?
My friend recommended me actually. I was going to Photomotive.
Huh.
Then he came here. Then he recommended me. Don't go to Photomotive. Come to Crank It.
So done. So now you're here and now you leave the car with us.
And when I talk to you, like I deal with the persons. When I talk to you, I find you very genuine. So I decided I changed my mind and I came here. Color means I think red will be fine, right?
Red is nice. Red looks nice. See that item there. These are the red, na? Same red.
Make red only.
The car you picked up from Thane, Panvel.
Panvel.
So Panvel XV700 you've seen. We've been doing quite a lot, and red calipers again. And we'll try and give some red element touches. We've done it in one car.
Okay.
Give a little red striping just along the door line, along the mirror. Right, thin stripes, so it gives that red element throughout the car.
Where actually?
So on the door line here, right along this line, there's like a 0.5 mm red strip that goes. Similarly here.
No.
It looks very subtle. Have you seen the Kia Seltos GT line?
No.
You've not seen that?
No.
So then let us do something and surprise you. You like it that time.
Okay.
And that with the red, so all 4 red calipers and that.
Yeah.
It's literally, it's this much, that putty. But it just gives that pin stripe.
If I don't like, I can remove that.
हाँ वो तो ऊपर ही लगा है.
निकल जाएगा, right?
Yeah, that can come out. It's like a sticker itself.
Radium आता है वो.
Yeah, it's ready. So you can remove that also. So yeah.
और क्या है मतलब?
थोड़ा शगुन already हो गया है गाड़ी का.
शगुन already हो गया है.
क्या बोला तूने?
अभी delivery, but we'll try and see as much as we can solve this. And
दो ही scratches है, एक ये part है और एक back side का part है.
हाँ ठीक है, एक बार गाड़ी जब wash हो जाएगी ना properly, फिर we'll put it under the light.
Back side का visible नहीं है बोल रहा है, but एकदम like magnifying glasses से देखेंगे तो दिख जाता है.
एक बार wash होगी तो दिखता है ना. We'll put it under the lights and then
Yes,
see
yes.
it. So are you excited to see the car look better than brand new?
No.
So chalo, we'll see you after 2-3 days now, and you'll find your car brand new.
Yes.
So yeah.
I hope better than brand new.
Better than brand new, yes. Well, today we've got another XV700 and in the midnight black again. Now this client of mine has come all the way from, I'm not gonna say it, but Dubai. Anyways, the car's coming from Bombay.
चीटिंग करता है तू.
Client landed, picked up the car and got straight to us, which says a lot in terms of how much they trust our work. And why they should trust it is you'll find out at the end of the video. Now, this car, unfortunately, right after the delivery got a little scratch on the bumper, which we will try and rectify as much as we can. So hence, it is very important, the moment you get the new car, you should get the PPF done on the paint. Because this car is barely driven, just Bombay Pune is about 180, the car is done about 200 kilometers from the time they bought it, and there's already a small scratch on the bumper. So we're going to try to rectify that, clarify the paint completely. Now, जब गाड़ी लेते हो नई वाली, it doesn't just get made from the factory and get delivered to you. Stockyard में पड़े खुले में, the car really gets a beating in terms of paint because पानी गिरता है, then there's sun rays that falls on it, it gets baked into the paint. और शोरूम वाले सीधा वॉश करके आपको गाड़ी दे देते हैं. There is no professionalism there. So now the main thing is to first do a good paint correction on the car ताकि paint पूरा clarify हो जाए and there are no spots on the paint. After that we do the PPF film application onto the paint. And जब PPF film application करते हैं, we make sure कि we hide it under all the edges ताकि आपको कहीं PPF की sheet का cut नहीं दिखे. तो अगर वो दिखेगा तो गाड़ी की look spoil हो जाएगी. So we endeavor is to hide the PPF सब जगह ताकि कोई बता भी नहीं पाए कि PPF लगी हुई गाड़ी पे. We'll show you the before of the car. काफ़ी ज़्यादा गंदी है गाड़ी. इसको फर्स्ट विल डू अ नाइस डीकंटामिनेशन क्लेइंग वॉश. क्ले करते हैं इसलिए ताकि पेंट प्रॉपर्ली क्लैरिफाई हो जाए. उसके बाद हम पेंट करेक्शन चालू करते हैं. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पेंट, स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2 और स्टेप 3 अगर पेंट ज़्यादा गंदी है वो करेंगे एंड देन मूव ऑन टू दी PPF स्टेज. इस गाड़ी को ऑल्सो वी गोना बी डूइंग द रेड कैलिपर्स ऑन दिस ताकि ये थोड़ी सी साइड से अलग लगे. तो गाड़ी की हालत आप देख ही सकते हैं क्या हालत है. पूरा मट्टी से भरा हुआ है. तो वी कांट इवन डू अ प्रॉपर स्कैन ऑन द कार. और ये कीड़ा भाई साहब भी यहाँ बैठे हैं. ज़रा पास आके देखिए, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. नई XV700 बैठे. हेलो, हाउ आर यू? आप बहुत जल्दी उड़ने वाले हैं क्योंकि PPF आने वाला है सर.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
तो नॉर्मल कार्स में जैसे हैंडल्स अंदर होते हैं तो हमें हैंडल्स निकालने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. विद दिस मॉडल वी डोंट नीड टू बिकॉज हैंडल्स प्रीटी मच अंदर चले जाते हैं. दी ओनली थिंग्स वी नीड टू रिमूव आर दी रूफ रेल्स एंड द टेल लाइट्स ऑन द साइड ताकि टक इन अच्छे से हो. नाउ अगर आपको PPF करवानी है अपनी गाड़ी पे, एक चीज़ याद रखना, ये जब जो है आपके डोर एज गार्ड या आपकी जो स्टिकर्स है ये PPF के बाद लगवाए बिकॉज PPF के दौरान वी हैव टू रिमूव इट ताकि PPF की शीट अच्छे से बैठे, वरना बबल्स आने के चांसेस होते हैं विद स्टिकर्स बिकॉज थोड़ा अनइवननेस हो जाता है. तो अगर करवानी है या आपने ख़रीद लिया है तो PPF करने के बाद ही ये सब लगाइए ताकि एक बार अच्छे से लगे. बार बार लगा के वापस डालेंगे ऑब्वियसली चीज़ें वैसे नहीं बैठती है. तो ये चीज़ आप याद रखना. तो ये जैसे आप देख सकते हैं गाड़ी शोरूम से निकलते ही ये स्क्रैच हुआ है गाड़ी पे. यू कैन सी ये काफ़ी डीप है, नाखून अंदर जा रहा है एंड प्लास्टिक तो स्क्रैप हो गया है. इसको ठीक करने का एक ही तरह का स्क्रैप एंड देन पेंटेड ऑल ओवर. एंड ये भी बिकॉज ये काफ़ी डीप है, ये वाला निशान तो निकल जाएगा ये पेंट के ऊपर है. तो येस, तो इसलिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि अपनी गाड़ी जैसे ही शोरूम से निकले बिना स्क्रैच के आप PPF करवाइए ताकि वो ओरिजिनल पेंट जो है प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. सो एनीवेज लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So guys, the next process that is there is the paint correction stage and ये stage बहुत important है because जब गाड़ी मैन्युफैक्चर होके स्टॉक यार्ड में आती है, स्टॉक यार्ड में गाड़ी पड़े विद रेन विद द सन गाड़ी पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है पेंट पे. इट गेट्स स्क्रैचेस, शोरूम पे कपड़ा मार के दे देते हैं, ड्राई कपड़ा, तो काफ़ी स्वॉल मार्क्स होते हैं. आप कभी भी नोटिस कीजिए व्हेन यू गो फॉर PDA अपनी नई गाड़ी लेने के लिए, पेंट विल नॉट मोस्टली बी परफेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू राइट नाउ इन दिस स्टेज पेंट करेक्शन, टू रिमूव ऑल द स्वॉल मार्क्स, क्ले द पेंट, मेक श्योर पेंट एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट है बिकॉज एक बार PPF लग गया गाड़ी पे देन आप पेंट को एक्सेस नहीं कर पाओगे. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि माइनर स्वॉल मार्क्स और जो स्क्रैचेस हैं वो सब निकाल दे एंड यू पॉलिश द पेंट टू परफेक्शन ताकि जब PPF डालोगे पेंट पे तो जो फिनिशिंग आएगी गाड़ी की इट विल लुक अ लॉट बेटर विद अ रियली गुड पेंट करेक्शन जॉब डन. वो आपको दिख जाएगा. पेंट करेक्शन ठीक से नहीं हुआ होगा गाड़ी पे वो दिख जाता है जब PPF लगाए बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल ग्लॉस PPF इज क्लियर. तो जो भी होगा पेंट के नीचे इम्परफेक्शन वो आपको दिखेगा. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि पेंट करेक्शन अच्छे से हो. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू बी फोकसिंग ऑन राइट नाउ बिफोर द एप्लीकेशन स्टेज. So guys, we're finally done with the car. You've seen from the start when we got the car to now and the entire application process. So now I'm not going to do talking. I'm going to Rahul tell you about where he came from and how he found out and how we've been communicating a lot before he actually got the car.
Yeah.
He wasn't even in India that time. So yeah, why don't you tell everyone how?
I came from Raigad actually, and one of my friend and my cousin actually he came here before that. He recommended me to the Ankit, and I looked his videos, his job, what he does, and I found it excellent. And I was actually planning to go somewhere else after his recommendation, and I saw his car and I came here.
Yep.
So like the job is done perfectly well, and the technicians are good. They are supportive and always attentive to the calls whenever you talk to them. Ankit is very good as a owner or your owner, right?
Yes.
So I never felt like I'm talking to owner of the franchisee or the workshop. It was great talking to him, always addressing, suggesting a good things.
एक bond बन गया.
Ek bond ban gaya, yes, exactly. Within a short period of time,
Yes.
I think like 15,
Yes.
20 days.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is a good thing.
Yeah.
And we did two special things: the
yeah.
insulation and the red calipers. How do you like that?
Calipers are
Looks
good.
a little different from
Yes.
what it is.
It is very good. Really.
थोड़ा sporty appeal आ गया because silver थोड़ा boring लगता है.
हाँ.
So I think this from the side profile looks nice.
Maybe in future I'll
Alloys ना?
paint the alloys also black.
हाँ वो धीरे धीरे करेंगे ताकि every time you feel कुछ fresh
yes.
कर रहे हैं. When you modify a car, always it's good to go a little slowly. ताकि हर 6 महीने में कुछ ना कुछ नया करते रहेंगे.
Yes, and PPF really looks very fine. I cannot recognize that is PPF is done.
I don't think you took the delivery of the car.
No.
This is the actual delivery
This is
of
actual
the car.
delivery, yes.
So I think the delivery of the car was taken by your brother.
My brother, yeah.
So yeah, chalo, at least we've given you now the delivery experience. So you didn't miss that out with your car.
Yeah.
So yeah, we look forward to
roughly
seeing this.
I saw the photos, but this looks much better than the showroom, what they deliver us. Really good.
Thank you. Oh yeah, actually now it looks better than Brandy.
Yes.
That's what you told me, yes, when you went. So yes, I hope we delivered on that. And
Yes.
would you recommend people to come from so far? You actually not coming from Pune, so
Yeah, I mean, say in our area, people doesn't like to do PPFs, and after seeing this, I'm sure they will come here. And I will recommend people to come and visit Crankit and meet Ankit. He will make you to make a PPF on your car.
thank you so much.
Thank you.